Good morning all. I am Ornava Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of Kingston School of Management and Science of BBA Department. Today we are going to do another chapter that is called Fund Flow and Cash Flow Statement. So let's have a look. At first, the definition of Fund Flow and Cash Flow Statement. Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India says that fund flow statement is defined as a statement, prospective or retrospective, stating out the sources and application of the funds of an enterprise. The purpose of statement is to indicate clearly the requirement of funds and how they are proposed to be raised and the efficient utilization and application of the same. That means what is fund? That is fund flow statement basically is the statement which shows the changes in the working capital of any organization. You know what is working capital? That is current assets and current liabilities. So fund flow statement basically associated with the balance sheet area, and that is the current assets and current liabilities, means where from we are getting the fund for our business and how we are deploying the fund into the business, means whether we are doing it efficiently and effectively. That is the main area, of fund flow statement. And next is cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is a statement which shows the sources of cash inflow and uses of cash outflow of the business concern during a particular period of time. In the statement, which involves only short-term financial position of the business concern, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India issued the accounting standard related to preparation of cash flow statement in 1998. So cash flow statement is basically associated with the cash inflow and cash outflow, means where from we are how we are getting the cash, that is the cash income, and we are deploying the cash, means outflow of the cash in the business organization for a particular period, means in that particular period what is the liquid position of our cash balance, that is mainly the concern of the cash in flow statement. So fund flow statement is basically the working capital statements, means sources and uses of fund, where from we are getting the fund and how we are using the sources, and cash flow is the liquidity position, means whether we have liquid cash in our hand to pay off our debts and all this, and whether we are doing our business efficiently and effectively. This is the difference between fund flow and cash flow. Fund flow statement report on the movement of funds, and cash flow showing sources and uses of cash, means where from we are getting the cash and how we are using the cash. But that is fund flow is sources and uses of funds. Fund flow statement explain how working capital is raised and used during the particular period. Working capital means current assets minus current liabilities for day-to-day working of the business, the capital that is required, which is known as working capital. So how we will secure our working capital, how we'll raise our working capital, that is the main concern of fund flow. But cash flow is cash inflow and outflow statement. The main objective fund flow statement is show how the resources have been balanced and mobilized, and main objective of cash flow statement, the causes of changes in cash between two balance sheet dates, means how the cash balance has been changed, means how much cash in our hand and how we have deployed it. Fund flow statement indicates the results of current financial management. Cash flow statement indicates the factors contributing to the reduction of cash balance. So how the factors contribute to reduce the cash balance, that is the main concern area. In a fund flow statement, increase or decrease in working capital is recorded. Cash flow statement, receipt and payment are recorded. Fund flow statement, there is no opening and closing cash balances. Okay, there is no opening and closing balances, as the working capital we are going to calculate from the assets and liabilities, means current assets minus current liabilities. So there is no opening and closing cash balance, but obviously in case of cash flow statement starts with opening cash balance and end with closing cash balance. Objectives of cash flow statement: measurement of cash. As you know, we are going to measure the cash, how much cash we have in our hand, generating inflow of cash, where from we are getting the cash, means which are the areas we are getting the cash. Classification of activities: there are business in the business there are financial activities, there is investment activities. So through cash flow statement we can classify the activities, means how much from business financial activities, how much from the investment activities. Next, prediction of future: if we know about the cash position of the concern, we can predict the future, means in future it is easy to take decisions in the near future. Assessing liquidity and solvency position: if we have enough cash in our hand, then we can say we are solvent enough to pay our debt. But obviously we have liquidity in our hand, but if we do not have enough cash, then we may not be a solvent one. Next, evaluation of future cash flows. In the near future, what will be the cash flows in our organization? We can definitely measure through the current year's position. Supply necessary information to the users, those who are going to invest in our organization, the investors, the creditors, and they want a proper news about the concern, and if they have the proper knowledge about the cash flow of the concern, means the liquid cash position of the concern is very good. If that it is very good, then they will obviously be interested in our concern. And helps management to ascertain cash planning. Obviously, means how much cash in our hand, and the management will take decision on the basis of the cash. So obviously it will help them in taking decision that may be investment decision, that may be any kind of financial decision. Objective and importance of fund flow statement: to explain changes in financial position, means sources of fund and utilization of fund, and how much efficient is that. To analyze the operational position, means how we are operating our business, means if the uses of fund, if there is working capital changes, means current assets and current liabilities, the current liabilities are the much more higher than the current assets, or then we can say that we are not operating our business successfully or efficiently. Help in proper allocation of resources: because we have not enough resources in our hand, so it help us to properly allocate our resources in the various department. Evaluate financial position, act as future guide. Means financial position, which is a very very essential to the management, to the creditors, to the investors. So it's evaluate the financial position of the organization. Limitations: ignores non-fund transaction. Non-fund transaction means that is basically not related to working capital. That suppose the purchase of assets from issue of shares, that is non-fund activities, means it is that is not related with current assets and current liabilities. Based on secondary information, means after preparing the balance sheet we can prepare this fund flow statement, so that is non-secondary and historical in nature. So these are the limitations of fund flow statement. If you have any problem, you can ask. Okay.